Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today I'm going to show you how to stop the audio switching to your headset every time you plug it in and just leave it on your TV on your PlayStation 5. So if you don't want the audio switching, what we want to do is go up to the top and go to settings right here, select it, then go on down to where it says sound. Then go to audio output right here, and then go to where it says switch output device automatically. Make sure this is on check mark now. So when we plug in a new headset, it's going to be leaving whatever we have on for output device right here. So it's going to stay on the Turtle Beach Cell 700 instead of like a different option. So if we set this to TV and we plug in a new headset, it's going to keep it on the TV speakers versus our headset. So it won't switch the devices when we plug in a new one. So you can choose whatever you want right here, and you should be good to go now, and your device won't be switching. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.